Hi, I'm Kerry Greenwald, Senior VA Loan Specialist and owner of Creekside Mortgage. At this point, one of my team members have pulled your credit, and we've told you there's something on your credit not allowing you to go through and seek financing at this point. But whether it's 2 weeks, 2 months, or 2 years, we're going to work with you to the point to get you into a house. We're not a credit restoration or repair company, but we will take the time to give you guidance to go through and improve your score moving forward to get to the point to be able to buy a house. I want to talk to you a little bit about that today. So any of my team members will give you a copy of our credit report that we pull at our cost, our expense, not to you, to go through and look at things of what's on your credit, what's accurate, what's not. If you want to appeal anything that's on that credit report, you do have to go to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian and pull their individual reports to contest anything directly to them to make any corrections on your credit report. One misnomer out there is people think if I go through and pay off collections, pay off those type of debts, it's going to raise my score. Sometimes you pay off those debts can actually lower your score. It is sometimes a requirement to get those debts taken care of before we can go through and qualify you on a loan. But your score is mainly directed off of how often are you late and how much of your capability of borrowing versus how much you owe. You always want to think of about 50%. Definitely 70% is a number you never want to go over. So if you have a $1,000 credit limit, you never want to go over $700 or it's negatively affected on your score. Especially if you have a $1,000 high credit limit and you owe $1,050, it's dramatically affected on your score. So paying down debts is very, very important. Also, at the same time you're doing that, please don't cancel any accounts or cards of any type. Sometimes we'll give advice to open up additional accounts or cards to go through and improve your credit. That will take a little bit more time to go through and get those revolving reporting into a credit agency. We've seen as much as 90 to 120 days to accurately start, showing credits from that. We want to make sure you take your time to go through and call us at any point in time when you paid something off or paid something down. We will always go through and pull in a report for you and reevaluate it to find out if anything happens. Remember, those 3 agencies I just talked about can take up to 60 days to accurately report something once it's been taken care of. So you want to give it time to go through and clean up through those means. But definitely, please reach back to me or anyone on my team at any point, any time. We want to continue working with you to get to the point you can get into a house. So hopefully this has been helpful. Any other questions, talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.